In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between Linear and Notion so you can figure out which one is better for project management, team collaboration, and getting things done efficiently. So let's start with the Linear. So Linear is a fast, focused tool built for engineering and product teams. It's designed for managing issues, tracking bugs, planning sprints, and working in an agile environment. And what makes it stand out is its speed, keyboard shortcuts, and minimal distraction free interface. So if you're running into a software development workflows and need a tool that integrates smoothly with GitHub, GitLab, or Slack, Linear gives you a powerful, no-nonsense workspace. Now let's talk about the Notion. So Notion is more of an all-in-one workspace. It combines notes, docs, databases, projects, boards, calendars, and wikis in one flexible platform. So you can create custom templates in here, link pages together, assign tasks, and even embed third-party content. So it's perfect for a cross-functional teams, startups, or a solo users who want to centralize everything from task lists to documentation all in one place. So which one is better or which one you should choose in here? So go with Linear if you need a high speed tool for technical teams. You work in sprints, track bugs, or prefer a clean, structured backlog and integrates tightly with your code base. Now, go with the Notion if you want an ultimate flexibility, a place to manage projects, take notes, document everything, and collaborate across multiple roles all within one place. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.